how to order from Sugargoo. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can order from Sugargoo. So let's get started. So first of all, you gotta log into your Sugargoo account. If you have not created an account yet, you can simply head over, click on login over here and create an account. So once you have done so, you will be redirected to an interface like this. So what you can do is simply select the product, whether you want to search for product or shop. So in our case, it will be product because we are ordering something. Next, you're going to simply type in the name of the product or enter the product link and click on search. Or if you just scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see all of the products over here. Let's say you want to order this shirt. So you're going to click on it and you'll be redirected to another interface. So just wait for it to get loaded. Once done, you'll be able to see something like this. Now, it is named Bad Powder Time Frying Y Short Sleeves. So here, what you're going to do is you'll be able to see all of the information over here. You can also zoom in to see the type of t-shirt it is. And then you're going to select the size, whether you want XS, S, medium, large, or XL. And you can select the quantity, type down any note you want. And then scroll down a little bit. You can simply click on I agree. Make sure you just agree with the terms and policies. Click on agent buy, or you can simply add to cart. So what you can do is simply select the size first and then click on add to cart. And once you do so, you'll be able to see cart over here. So you can simply click on your cart. And if you have multiple products in your cart that you have added, you'll be able to see them listed over here. So first step is confirm the product. So you can click on select all and then head over, click on checkout. You'll be able to see the unit price. You'll be able to see the quantity. Simply click on checkout after that, and you'll be redirected to step 2, that is choose service. So you can simply click on select services over here, and then you can see whether you want a personalized photograph on it or anything else. You can simply type down any instructions. It just provides specific needs of photos, such as taking a photo with a front view, and then you can simply please purchase the same number of services as the number of pictures. Click on confirm. And after that, you can simply head over, click on go to pay. Make sure the pricing is correct. Click on go to pay and you'll be redirected to pay for order section. So you'll be able to see order submitted and the order number is this over here. You have 72 hours in order to confirm your order. So they have two methods. One is online payment, other is bank remittance. So you can simply select the bank that you wish to use in order to pay. Once done, you can simply click on pay now. After that, you'll be able to see inspection and warehousing. So basically, Sugargoo will contact to the nearest warehouse of your location and send your product from there. Then they're going to submit the parcels. You'll be able to see the process in real time. And once you receive the parcel, you'll be able to see sign for parcel. And when you sign that, you'll be able to see this is checked as well. So that is the process of ordering anything from Sugargoo. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.